Okay.
Scene 1.
Good.
Setting the fire.
Flight.
Flight.
Fight.
Flight.
Fight.
Flight.
Fight.
Flight.
Fight.
Flight.
Fight.
Yeah. Flight.
The flight
Deck.
The flight deck.
No.
That is pilot.
Piloting. Piloting is it's a verb here. It's piloting.
The spaceship.
Okay. Alvin
and
Wilfred. Wilfred is a robot. Alvin is a boy. Alvin and Wilfred
run in.
Alvin
shouting name.
Nana.
Wilfred
Wilfred
is going cozy.
Crazy. Wilfred
is making the beeping
noises
and his lights are blinking.
Okay, blinking.
Wilfred
seasoning. Okay. Yeah, seasoning. It's very hard, right? You can see it. The seasoning. It's very hard. Yeah, see, you can see. Yeah, this thing over here, right? The steam. Seasoning. Okay. What's up?
Flight.
Good.
Flight.
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 Okay, that's two words very similar. Okay. And what's this?
Fight.
That's a fight.
Fight.
Okay.
Flight.
Good.
Fight. Flight. Flight.
Fight.
Fight. Flight. Fight. Flight. Fight. Flight.
Okay. That's an L. Flight. Okay. Seasoning.
Sizzle.
Sizzle.
Sizzle. Sizzle. Sizzling.
Okay. Seasoning is adjective.
Sizzle.
Okay. Can spell.
SICCLE. Sizzle. Fab.
Okay. Sizzle.
To make a
Hissing.
sound like the sound water makes it when it hits hard metal.
Okay. The water make a hissing sound. Okay. Bacon.
Sizzling in the pan.
Okay, bacon seasoning in the pan. Bacon, no. Seasoning in the pan. You see, bacon seasoning in the pan. You can hear the noise, right? Seasoning.
Sizzle. Sizzle. Sizzle.
Okay, well, it's hard to make that kind of sound. Sizzle. Okay. Seasoning stars.
Sizzling stars.
What is that? Okay. Seasoning stars. No, seasoning is very hard. Seasoning stars.
I am giving having a heart attack.
Good, have a heart attack. See, some people, they're older, they have heart attack. Okay, you see, doesn't feel good. Okay, here. Okay, I'm feeling a heart attack. No,
Calm down.
Wilfred.
Robots cannot have heart attacks. Looks like you are just picking up an
Asteroid. A shooting star. Okay.
asteroid storm.
Okay.
Wilfred's blinking get farther, faster,
Good.
and his
Beeps.
get louder.
Okay. Alvin.
That's so cool. I have never been in an
Asteroid.
storm.
I see the robot detects an asteroid storm, a lot of shooting star. Okay. Wilfred.
We are ruined.
Yeah, ruined. Okay. No.
We are already late delivering our
Cargo. Okay. Goods. Cargo. No. What is this? Yeah, that's cargo. You see?
Cargo.
What's that?
Sizzle. Sizzle. Sizzle.
To make a hissing sound like the sound water makes when it hits hot metal.
Okay, that's sizzle. Okay.
Cargo. Cargo. Cargo.
Okay.
Sometimes something that is carried from one place to another by boat, airplane.
Okay, that's cargo. Okay.
Cargo.
Okay.
Cargo.
Spell
Yeah, spelled.
CARGO. Cargo.
Okay. Okay, the ship
The ship was carrying a cargo.
of crude oil. Okay.
Cargo.
Okay. Cargo. No. Yeah, that's cargo. You see the things. So many. Cargo. Okay. We are already late delivering our
Cargo to
planet.
Voyage.
Voyage. Okay, I don't know this.
There's no
That's
no time to make a
detour. Detour means find another way around it. Detour. Okay, yeah, here closed. You have to go to another way. What's that?
Cargo. Cargo. Cargo.
The ship was carrying a cargo of crude oil.
Okay. Okay.
Detour. 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 Detour.
Okay. Okay, here's a
highway that you travel on when the
usual
way of
traveling
cannot be used.
Okay, you find another way because for some reason the road is closed. You need to find another way. That's detour.
Detour. Detour. Detour.
Okay, spell.
Detour.
Yeah.
Now.
Okay, sometimes you can see the sign here. Detour, you see closed. You go the other way. Okay, road closed, detour. Okay, so the detour. So there is no time to make a
detour around the storm.
Okay, you should don't go straight. You go away. You can avoid the asteroid storm.
So we will need to go
Straight.
the shops.
Strap. Buckle seat belt. Here means okay. Strap. Okay, strap. What's that?
Detour.
Okay.
Detour. Detour. Detour.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
the road is closed ahead that, so traffic will have to follow the detours.
Detour.
Detour.
No S.
Detour. Detour.
Okay. Strap.
Strap. Strap. Strap.
Strap.
Strap.
Strap.
Okay.
Strap.
Strap. Verb.
Okay. Basically just buckle seat belt. You see, secure is attached by means of a strap. Okay. Okay. Can I spell it?
S-T-R-A-P. Strap. Verb.
Okay. Strap yourself. Do you see?
Tie.
Hi. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Strap.
Yourselves.
On, and it's going to be a bumpy ride.
Okay.
Wilfred.
Wilfred.
Still blinking the beeping while
We will
be crashed to space. Dust.
Okay.
Ever I
will
save us. I never get hit by
asteroids.
When I play space.
Avenger. I think it's a name of a game. Okay. Avenge. What's that?
Strap. Strap. Strap.
Strap yourself in. Okay.
Verb.
Okay. Here, how you use it?
Strap yourself and yourselves in.
Okay, that's strap. Okay, and another word.